New deals just dropped. At the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, they got the mow down pollution. How does the program work? Well, basically, I guess you go into this website, you turn in you make an appointment or something. You turn in your gas mower or your gas equipment, and you receive some sort of money back, and then you can put that in towards a new electric power equipment. So alright, so we got the clearance section here. We got the 18 volt subcompact brushless reciprocating saw for $119, that for $169. Alright, we got this chainsaw, 14-inch chainsaw brushless, $161, that from $229. Says tool only. I got a 60 volt 600 CFM cordless blower for $110. It's not bad. It does have a price there for $132, but it's $110. Make sure you guys take a picture of the lowest price. Alright, got some clearance deals here. We got a Fram air filter, $448. You got a sander, quarter sheet sander. Don't know the price on this. Did not have a tag. You got a Makita 18 volt 12 volt Bluetooth speaker, $144, down for $179. And then you got the vacuum. Yeah, guys, this vacuum is a really good deal, especially it's down to $149. Was $199. This does have a lot of Milwaukee DNA on it. I'm thinking it's a little better. Check it out. Definitely check that one out. You got a waterproof 800 lumen for $32, down from $42. You got a hammer drill, half-inch hammer drill kit with HP, brushless, $128, down from $159. You got some knee pads there. It says gel soft. From Husky, those are $49. And then you got some cheapers for $26 and $23 with a soft cap. You got some flashlights there, or some work lights, 2,000 lumens for $20. $136 for a 3-piece combo kit. You got impact driver, drill driver, 100 reciprocating saw. These are not fuel tools. Keep that in mind. You got a caulk gun, $70, and then you got impact driver subcompact. These are brushless tools. I do have these. These things are pretty powerful. $100. That's a really good deal, guys, especially for $199. That's a spare kit. Alright, so if you guys looking to get some DeWalt killer deals, this is $135, guys. It's actually pretty good. You guys know that these tools run on the holidays for $99 by themselves. Or here they're $135. Alright, so they still got these deals. The $399 will get you the top of the line 18 volt tool. Will get you 2 free 5 amp hour batteries, or you can get the rear handle circular saw kit with 2 5 amp hour battery dual port charger a case for $299, and plus get those 2 free batteries, so 4 batteries total. You got 270 piece mechanics tool set. This is actually a pretty nice set, especially for somebody starting out again, the first vehicle. $99, 270 pieces. You got 3 ratchets, 1 magnetic driver, 8 combination wrenches, 3 extensions, 24 deep sockets, 21 12-point sockets. So different bits there. $9.97 for the braided polyester. Good to tie something up. Alright, this one's if you guys are doing remodels, you guys wanna change your outlets for some USB. And there you go. Get some USB chargers in there. Alright, so we got the buy any of those 2 for $99. This did not have at the last store I went to. So, but yeah, you basically choose any of those for any 2 of those for $99. So $77. You got the low profile hard headlamp. You got the rechargeable compact flashlight. Alright, so that's the 550 lumen light. And then you got the 800 lumen flashlight. And the other one's already sold out. I just got the other ones there. So pretty good deals for these lights. They still got those tumblers. I do like the 30-ounce tumbler. That's the one that I use every day for work. Keeps my eyes cold all day, guys. That thing's a beast in the heat. It's already getting 100 plus here. Alright, so buy any of these, get a free battery, guys. So you can get that installation driver kit, or you can get the cable stapler, the ratchet. Looks like the, and then this is the Makita roofing coil nailer for $159, and this is a framing nailer for $329, down from $369. Be on the lookout for these, guys. These are actually getting cheaper. Alright, these are the tools you guys can select for free once you buy the $199 starter kit. These are the rubber light, the hammer drill, the impact driver. So those are all the tools. I would definitely go for that vacuum. That vacuum, I do have the pack out thing, and that's amazing. So $199 will get you the starter kit and a free tool. Definitely worth it. And the $299 will get you a 2 6 amp hour battery starter kit, and you get a free tool. So definitely the inflator. I do have videos on the inflator. Make sure you guys check that out. Same thing with the rocket light. I do have videos on that. So yeah, there's a lot of good deals you guys can get on this. A lot of hacks. You guys are able to hack this. Same thing with this. You got you buy 2 of these, get a free 8 amp hour starter kit. If you guys want to stock up on those 12 amp hour batteries, this is the time. Make sure you guys choose 2 12 amp hour batteries. Get your 8 amp hour battery for free, and then you can return the 8 amp hour battery and keep your 2 12s for around $170 something. So, and if you guys don't want that, you guys can get the 6 and the 3. So a 6 and a 3 for $144. That's actually not bad. Alright, so they got this impact wrench. This is the compact, I believe. Yeah, 3/8 compact impact wrench, $200, down from $249. I can't wait to see that cheaper. $39.97 for the USB lithium fan, clip-on fan thing. I'd rather just do with the other batteries, the regular batteries. Alright, so you got the buy one get one free from Ryobi HP. So these are the top line Ryobi tools. Obviously that brand nailer is going to be the one that I would buy. Of course I already have it, but that's what I would get with any of these deals. The most expensive is the ones you're going to be getting the most out of your money. So choose the most expensive tools, and this nailer is one of the most expensive tools. So that is the nailer that I would choose. You got the cut-off tool, one-handed reciprocating saw, circular saw to the left there. Alright, you can choose from the angle grinder, the looks like a hammer drill, oscillating tool. The ratchet is a good one, and the 4-mode impact wrench is a good one too. The SDS hammer, definitely worth it. All those are worth it. So guys, $199. It is you're getting a 6, a 4, and a 2. So those are all HP batteries, and plus you're gonna get a free tool. So you can choose from that blower, circular saw, angle grinder, the drill, the ratchet, that brand nailer that I was telling you guys. Reciprocating saw, the oscillating tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the cut-off tool. It looks like impact wrench, jigsaw. Lots of good stuff. Alright, so same thing with the $199 deal. You buy this starter kit and get a free tool. Then my phone went off. Basically, yep, you can get any of these. The 2-pack of batteries, the fan, the flashlight, the edge trimmer, which I have. That thing's a killer. If you guys want to check out the video, you got the work light. I do have that thing. Works good. It's a beast. Alright, Neo deals just dropped, guys. These are brand new deals. Not too long ago. They just dropped, probably hours before I filmed this. To apologize, my phone's going off from work. There's customers trying to reach me. Alright, so you got the get these free batteries. So you got 2 amp hour batteries. Get these free with the purchase of any tool. Of course, they got the new dual port charger. Something I never seen before. New to me, at least. I don't know if it's brand new, but new to me. $119. You can get the multi-material saw, the right angle drill, a one-handed reciprocating saw, the brushless 3/8 impact wrench, and the circular saw. So definitely worth it, guys. There's a lot of good tools, especially that impact wrench, the 100 reciprocating saw, the dual port charger, and you're going to get these 2 batteries for free. This is free batteries for life. I don't know, let us know in the comment section if you guys try to get warranty these batteries with the Ridgid. I want to know exactly if you guys warranted any tool or any batteries for Ridgid. Let us know in the comment section what was your experience. I want to know, because there's a lot of mixed reviews out there that that they're not good at all, or that they do it. I don't know. It's just different. Alright, so $79 your choice here. Job site fan, Bluetooth speaker. You can get the spotlight for $79. Obviously, these are all the same price. The orbit random orbit sander. Got the 2 amp hour lithium battery, which is not worth it because you're getting it for free with the other deal. Remember, you got the job site blower. You got the hybrid panel light. So hybrid means that it works with battery and with the extension cord. Job site radio with Bluetooth technology, and then you got the pack of 2 4 amp hour batteries. So definitely check those out, guys. Lots of good deals. That is the 2 pack of 4 amp hour batteries. That is the Bluetooth radio. You got the sander, 5-inch orbit sander. You got the lights, got the speaker there, the fan, and then the panel light there, the hybrid panel lights, which is pretty nice because you guys could hook up an extension cord on that thing. Alright, on the other side, we got the brushless 4.5 paddle switch angle grinder for $149. The brushless 3/8 ratchet for $149. Of course, they're all the same price. 7.25 circular saw. Those are all brushless tools. The reciprocating saw and the 4-mode mid-torque impact wrench. So lots of good deals on these, guys. Max output 8 amp hour battery. So if you guys want a bigger battery, choose that, or the 2 amp hour batteries. Alright, this is the ratchet. And then you got the circular saw, the angle grinder there in the middle. Got the impact wrench there to the left, to right. And then you got the reciprocating saw there. Alright, this impact wrench does have max breakaway torque of 650 CFM and 500 fastening foot-pounds of torque. So that's considered a very, very powerful tool for its size. Guys, new deals on these. I guess very similar to the holidays, guys. These are pretty good deals for around 140 bucks. Killer deal, guys. This is actually a really good brand. If you're on a budget, if you can't afford Milwaukee, if you can't afford DeWalt, jump onto this because this is a pro level system. So definitely check this one out. It does have dividers. It does have all sorts of accessories. It does have some weather stripping. Definitely recommend the Ridgid system there. Alright, so more Ridgid deals exclusively at the depot. You got the what is that, a vacuum, 12-gallon vacuum for $79.98. You got a compressor nailer for $189. You got, looks like a framing for $179. Alright, so Milwaukee's still doing the buy $219 and get a pack out organizer for $1. Basically, it's worth around $50. So if you guys hack this, you guys are able to return that organizer and keep the rest of the tools for a discount price. Check out the wheels on this thing. Mine doesn't even have these wheels on it. I think they did upgrade the wheels on that pack out roller cart. Alright, so $19.97 for the group joint pliers, 3-piece leverage pliers. Those are $21.97. You got some tape measures there to the right, $14.88, 2-pack 25 footers. Pretty nice, actually, not bad at all. They pretty clear, easy to see. I can't talk today. I need my coffee. 1988 12-inch or 12x1 or 12-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. $5.97 for the folding lock back utility knife with some extra blades. This is 10-pack of blades. Not bad for $5. Alright, I'm going to the folding diamond hex key set, 8 piece, $9.97. It's actually not a bad deal. Seems to be good for a tool bag or something. $19.97 for the combination wrench set, 10 piece. A pretty nice finish on these. I don't know how long they're going to last, but I do have some Husky and they last pretty long. I got a 1/4 inch socket set for $19.97 and a 3/8 for $29.97. So that is the 3/8. It's a little bigger. SA metric. That is the 1/4 inch for the smaller stuff, 24 piece. Both of these are 24 pieces. All right, they're trying to compete with the Harbor Freight now. So 5.5 magnetic tray, and then you got a 7-piece hook and pick sets. You got a tool bag there, or a tool belt, $69. You got a Husky 50-piece 1/4 inch drive socket set. That's pretty nice. A lot of bigger sockets or longer sockets, deep well. You got 119-piece mechanics tool set, and it's $69.97. So pretty nice, guys. There's a lot of good deals out there. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and make sure you guys don't miss any of the deals that I post, because I do post. Sometimes those deals sell out. You guys seen the work table that it sold out in seconds? Well, it's back up. So I did post on my channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, because I always post when those deals are back up and you guys can get them. But they do sell out. So you guys have to be quick. Anyways, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.